Hey traders, there's been a lot of really good discussion recently about the differences between swing trading and day trading. And me and my girlfriend were just having some lunch, and I figured instead of you hearing it from me and kind of my theory and my processes on it, I'm gonna have you talk to her a little bit so you can hear her belief system, her philosophy on trading. Okay, here we go. Everyone, so this is my girlfriend, Svetlana.
Hi.
So Svetlana, tell me a little bit about what you were just saying seconds ago. And I was like, wait a minute, I need to get out a video and record this.
We were talking about swing trading versus day trading, and I believe that most people day trade because they believe that trading needs to be hard. Like everything else in life, we are taught that in order to be great at something, we need to put a lot of effort, a lot of time, a lot of energy into it. It needs to be really hard, and if it's hard, it's worth it, and then you kind of made it, and that is the only way to create anything that is of value in life. And so people choose to day trade and put a lot of time and energy and effort into day trading because they believe that if they are working so hard at it, that somehow they are worthy of it, the trades would be successful, and they will be able to make it. And the reality is, a lot of times it's very different, it's opposite of it. When we let go of things a little bit, right? When we allow things to happen, when we allow that energy to come in, and when we start working smarter rather than harder, when we start aligning rather than pushing, then we become successful. Then the energy changes and shifts. And a lot of people that choose to lean back and step back a little bit and not to be as harshly participating in day trading, and they start swing trading that requires less time, and they are more deliberate and intelligent about it. It requires less emotional involvement. They are a lot more successful in trading. They're able actually to make money and keep money and grow in it. And that's what we've been talking about.